All right, guys, here today with some JB Weld Red and JB Weld Blue. It's the Permalock High Strength Thread Locker Red and the Permalock Medium Strength Thread Locker in Blue. Now, you know what thread lockers are? They're adhesives to keep bolts and screws from, loosening up due to vibration, shock, heat, and so forth. Now, you're probably aware red is almost permanent. Think about, well, it's like you're marrying it, right? Blue, you're just dating. It's serviceable. So think about things like, like a flex plate bolt, something along those lines, or a flywheel bolt, something like that, stall converter. If you want something serviceable, say brake calipers, that's when you go with the blue. So think red, almost permanent, blue, serviceable, okay? Now today we're gonna tighten up the flywheel on this 5.3. That's something I don't want coming out, but think about that environment that it lives in. It's always moving, always rotating, always absorbing some vibration. So easy to apply. You clean your threads, put just a little drop on there. Both handle temps up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, resist shock, vibration, and heavy use. Both have a clean, no mess cap, which prevents drips and clogs, and it's from JB Weld, so you can trust it. All right, so there you have it. That's in tight. Now look, seriously, if you want to remove this stuff, you're gonna have a fight with this. You're gonna have some serious power tools, a big bicep, and probably some heat. With this, some hand tools will be adequate, but still a couple grunts to get you there, all right? So pick up your thread locker, the red permanent, the blue serviceable from JB Weld, get you some.